In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free account on Grammarly step by step. To start off, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, navigate to the Grammarly sign-up page. This is where you'll begin the simple process to get access to Grammarly's tools that can help enhance your writing. Once you're on the sign-up page, you'll see some fields to fill out. Here, type in your email address. Make sure it's an email you have easy access to because you'll need it for an important step later on. Next, you'll want to choose a strong password. It's a good idea to pick something a bit complex, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. As you fill these in, you'll also need to enter your name. This just adds a personal touch to your account as you embark on using Grammarly's services. Now, if you prefer a quicker way, there's an alternative method you might find available: signing up through a social login. Options often include Google, Facebook, or Apple. These are useful if you want to bypass entering your email and password manually. So if using one of these social logins appeals to you, feel free to choose that option. After you've entered all your details, go ahead and submit the form. Following this, it's time to head over to your email inbox. Grammarly will send you a verification or activation link. Keep an eye out for an email from Grammarly, and when you find it, open it up and click on the link inside. This step is crucial because it confirms your account and activates it for use. With your account now active, you're ready to dive into what Grammarly has to offer. You can log in and start using Grammarly on the web immediately. But there's more. To truly leverage its benefits, consider installing the Grammarly browser extension. It's incredibly convenient for writing directly in your web browser, helping you catch errors on the fly as you type in things like emails or online posts. Additionally, Grammarly offers a desktop app and a mobile app, so don't hesitate to install those if you're planning to use Grammarly beyond just your web browser. Using these applications allows Grammarly's powerful tools to assist you no matter where you're writing or editing, be it on your computer or on the go with your mobile device. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have successfully created a free account on Grammarly and set yourself up to make your writing clearer and more effective. Happy writing!